Today I've got a very special watch to show off. This is the Seiko Prospex Save the Ocean SRPC93J. This style of Seiko Prospex is known as the Samurai. This particular model is well known across the watch enthusiast community, mainly for its spectacular looking face. The watch face has a shimmering quality that mimics the light bouncing off the ocean surface. It is absolutely gorgeous to look at. Just look how it reflects the light. The overall build quality is on par with Seiko's previous releases, from the full stainless steel case and bracelet to the knurling on the crown. When you buy Seiko, you buy quality. A double clasp keeps this thing on your wrist. It does wear quite big because of the case size, but even on a smaller wrist like mine, it fits well. Of course, it has an automatic movement, is 200 meters water resistant, and has a case size of 43.8 millimeters. When purchasing any of Seiko's Save the Ocean branded watches, you are directly contributing to ocean conservation efforts, as Seiko will donate a small portion of each sale to various not-for-profit organisations. If you like this piece, head on over to watchdepot.com.au and snag one while you can.